Starting with the heart of the machine, the Lenovo LOQ 2024 is powered by the 12th generation Intel Core i5-12450HX processor. With 8 cores and 12 threads, this CPU can easily handle multitasking, gaming and productivity tasks. It operates at a base speed of 2.4 GHz but can turbo boost up to 4.4 GHz when you need that extra power. Whether you're gaming or editing videos, this processor has you covered. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel is designed for gamers and content creators alike. With a refresh rate of 144 Hz and a brightness of 300 nits, this screen ensures smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The 100% sRGB color gamut makes it perfect for color accurate work like photo editing or content creation. The anti-glare coating ensures that you can comfortably use this laptop in different lighting conditions. Graphics are handled by the NVIDIA's RTX 3050 with 6GB of GDDR6 memory. This GPU delivers excellent performance for gaming, allowing you to play the latest AAA titles with ease. With a boost clock of 1732 MHz and a TGP of 95 watts, it's capable of delivering smooth gameplay and fast frame rates. The inclusion of the NVIDIA's G-Sync technology further enhances the gaming experience by eliminating screen tearing and minimizing input lag. For memory, the laptop comes with 16GB of DDR5 memory clocked at 4800 MHz, ensuring fast data processing and smooth multitasking. Storage is handled by the 512GB SSD, which provides fast boot time and quick access to your games and files. If you need more space, the storage is expandable up to 1 TB, giving you plenty of room for all your data. Lenovo has equipped this laptop with a robust cooling system featuring a hyper-chamber thermal design. The dual fan expels the heat efficiently from the rear, and the sealed chamber adds an extra 10 watt of power in extreme mode, reducing skin temperature and minimizing noise during intense gaming sessions. The Lenovo AI Engine Plus and the Lenovo LA1 AI chip work together with the Mux switch and NVIDIA's Advanced Optimus to boost performance to new levels. This combination optimizes performance for gaming, ensuring you get the most out of your hardware. In terms of connectivity, the Lenovo LOQ 2024 is well equipped. It includes Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connections. The laptop also features a wide range of ports, 3 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and Lenovo PD 140W with DisplayPort 1.4, an HDMI 2.1 port that supports up to 8K at 60 Hz, an Ethernet RJ45 port, a headphone microphone combo jack, and a power connector. This variety of ports ensures that you can connect all your peripherals and external devices with ease. The laptop also includes two 2-watt HD speakers with dynamic audio, offering surround sound, sound tracking, night mode, sound sharing, and content profiles for an immersive audio experience. The HD 720p webcam with the eCam shutter and dual array microphones ensure clear video calls and privacy when needed. This laptop features a 1.5mm key travel keyboard with a white backlit keyboard and 100% of anti-ghosting, making it comfortable for long gaming sessions. The battery life is powered by a 60 watt-hour battery, providing up to 6 hours of usage, and with Rapid Charge Pro, you can charge the battery to 100% in just 80 minutes. In conclusion, the Lenovo LOQ 2024 is a powerful, well-rounded gaming laptop that offers excellent performance, a great display, and robust cooling system. Whether you are a gamer, content creator, or someone who needs a reliable and versatile laptop, the Lenovo LOQ 2024 has you covered.